How to reverse TikTok videos. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can reverse TikTok videos. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up TikTok on your mobile phone. Sometimes we watch these videos on TikTok and they are playing in reverse. And we wonder that how the creator did that. Well, this feature is available within TikTok where you can simply create reverse videos. So let me show you how you can do that. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to this plus icon right here where we simply create our new TikTok. So click on this plus icon. Now you can simply go ahead and create a new video in here. You can also select a video from your gallery. So I'm gonna click on upload and select a video from my gallery. Let's go ahead and select this video. I will simply click on next, how we create our video. Now, when it comes to creating a video, you will click on next. In here, what you have to do is simply go to effects right here. When you click on effects, you will find different effects available: visual, motion, sticker, and transition. What you have to do is simply go to motion. You will find a lot of different options right here, such as visual, motion, sticker, split, and time. Simply go ahead and select time. When you go to time, then you will find the option of reverse, repeat, and slow-mo. So I'm gonna click on reverse. And after that, it will reverse your video. You can see right here that all of the video has been selected. If I play the video now, it will be played in reverse. And that is how you can simply go ahead and reverse a TikTok video. You can see right here, the video is reversed now. I can also go ahead and create a slow-mo video within my TikTok. Once it's done, you simply click on save, and after that your TikTok has been created, which is playing in reverse. Now you can simply proceed and post your TikTok on TikTok app. This brings us to the end. If this video was a help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.